Good morning everyone. I am Pratisha Chowdhury, Assistant Professor of GRIT. In this video, I would like to discuss Boolean algebra and its laws. Boolean algebra is used to perform logical operations in digital computer. In digital computer, true is represented by 1, is logic 1 at high volt, and false is represented by 0, that is at low volt. Variable or literal, a symbol used to represent a logical quantity, example A, B, X, Y, etc. are the examples for variables or literals. In other video, I have explained logic gates, truth tables, applications, and realization of logic circuits using logic gates. Now, I just want to recollect that recollect the logic gates. So, I am showing you the slide for logic gates and its truth tables. There are 5 basic logic gates: AND, OR, XOR, XNOR, and NOT. And there are 2 universal logic gates. They are NAND and NOT. These are their truth tables. Boolean laws. Commutative law, A plus B is equal to B plus A. That is A, B applied to OR gate, resulting output as A plus B, which is equal to B and A given to OR gate, that is B plus A. And commutative law for multiplication, that is AB is equal to BA. You can use truth table to prove this. So truth table AB, A plus B, and A dot B. So here I have OR gate operation and AND gate operation. And similarly, first input is B and second input is A. Now it is B plus A, which is similar to A plus B. And A plus A dot B is equal to B dot A. So commutative law is proved. Associative law, A plus of B of C is equal to A plus B of plus C. This is associative law of addition. Associative law of multiplication is equal to ABC is equal to AB into C. Here I have proof of associative law for multiplication. That is xy dot z is equal to x of y dot z. You can have the variables as AB dot C is equal to A dot BC. So this is, I want everyone to prove the associative law for addition, that is using OR gate. The first proof, that is A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Next, distributive law, A of B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. A plus B dot A plus C is equal to A plus B of C. So here you have three variables, and try to perform all the operations that we have in the equations and try to prove this way. You can pause and you can check later. A dot B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. This is one law, and the other one is A plus B dot C is equal to A dot B dot, sorry, A plus B dot A plus C. That is how we are going to prove distributive law. Rules of Boolean algebra. A plus 0 is equal to A. Let's validate this. Where A is a literal or variable, it may have maximum of 2 logic states, either 0 or 1. Here I have taken A is equal to 0 at first instant and A is equal to 1 for all the 8 laws. And I am going to prove it using OR operation. Okay, this is the OR gate truth table. I want you to recollect it. So 0 OR with 0 is equal to 0. Then 1 OR with 0 is equal to 1. So when you perform A OR with 0 is always A. Next, 0 OR with 1. 0 OR with 1 is equal to 1. Then 1 OR with 1 is equal to 1. 1 OR with 1 is equal to 1. That means A plus 1, that is A OR with 1, is always equal to 1. Next one is multiplication. A dot 0 is equal to 0. Where I am considering A is equal to 0 first. So 0 dot 0 is equal to 0 and 1 dot 0 is equal to 0. So using AND gate, it is stating that A dot 0 is equal to 0 all the time. Next, A dot 1 is equal to A. Where A is equal to 0 first, A dot 1 is equal to 0 and 1.1. So 0.1 is equal to 0 and 1.1 is equal to 1. That means if you perform AND operation with 1, you will always get the value as A. Next one is A plus A is equal to A. That is 0 plus 0 and 1 plus 1. 0 plus 0, that is A plus A, because A and B are now equal. So that is equal to 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. That means when you add this way, this is always equal to 1. Next one is A plus its complement. A plus its complement, that is 1, 1 odd with 0, 0 odd with 1. Both the case, the answer is equal to 1. So A plus A complement is equal to 1. Next, A dot A is equal to A. 0.0 is equal to 0. 1.1 is equal to 1. The answer is A always. Next, A dot its complement. 0.1 and 1.0. The answer is always 0. That is how you can prove the Boolean laws. And A double bar is equal to A double bar. So if you perform complement twice, you will get the same answer back. Next, A plus AB is equal to A. Let's check that. A plus AB is equal to, you can take A common. So A dot 1 plus B. Here 1 is there. Here it is B. So A dot 1 plus B. We know very well from rule number 2, that is A plus 1 is equal to 1. A plus 1 is equal to 1. So 1 dot A is equal to A. That is rule number 4, using which A plus AB is equal to A. That is 10th rule. And 11th rule is A plus A complement B is equal to AB. Okay. So here I am going to multiply A with 1 plus B, because 1 plus B or 1 plus A is equal to 1. 1 plus A is equal to 1. So I am going to multiply A with 1. It won't change the answer. A dot 1 is equal to A. So A dot 1, in the place of 1, I am taking 1 plus B, because 1 plus A is always equal to 1, plus A bar B, that is there is here. And if you multiply individually, it is A plus AB plus A bar B. Then from these two, take B common, then it is A plus A bar. A plus A bar is equal to, A plus A bar is equal to 1. Therefore, the answer is A plus B. De Morgan's law. De Morgan's theorem provides mathematical verification of equivalency of the NAND and negative OR gates, the equivalency of NOR and negative AND gates. Simply we can take this, we can consider this, we can remember this way. AND whole complement is equal to, that is NAND is equal to individual complements of OR, negative OR. Similarly, OR whole complement, which is NOR, is equal to individual complements of AND, that is negative AND. De Morgan's law, A dot B whole complement, and whole complement is equal to OR individual complements, or whole complement is equal to AND individual complements. Applying De Morgan's law to an expression, F1 is equal to X dot Y bar whole bar dot Y bar plus Z whole bar. So now you have an AND operation and a whole complement. So you have to use the first equation. So first equation says that you have to change this AND to OR with an individual complement on each of its top. So X dot Y bar whole bar double bar plus Y complement plus Z whole complement. You have to check here. And we know very well 2 times complement is always its true value. So 2 times complement, so it goes away. Then it is X dot Y bar plus, again here you have a De Morgan's law. That is second one. A plus B whole complement is equal to A bar dot B bar. That is Y double complement. This R becomes AND now and Z bar. Therefore, it is Y dot Z bar. So the answer is XY bar plus Y Z bar. Next one is consensus theorem in digital logic. Consensus theorem is used to remove the redundant terms. You can pause and you can read out all these things. I am going directly an equation where we can apply the consensus theorem. Here is the example. AB plus A bar C plus BC. Here I am having three variables, that is A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C, and each must be repeated twice. So A bar, B, B, C, C. One variable must present in the complement form. Then the third term can be is called as redundant term, and that can be eliminated. So here AB plus A bar C. So I'm having my answer here itself. The third term is having the two other terms B and C. So this term is called as redundant term, and it can be eliminated. So here is the proof. I'm going to take LHS side, and then to this BC I'm going to multiply with 1, and then 1 is equal to A plus A bar. A plus A bar is always 1. So multiply A plus A bar with BC. So now it is ABC plus A bar BC, and then take AB common out of first and third terms. Now it is 1 plus C, and then A bar C common out of second and fourth terms. So it is A bar C. Now it is 1 plus B. So we know that 1 plus anything is always equal to 1. So AB dot 1 plus A bar C dot 1. So this is the answer. So this is why it is called consensus theorem. The other consensus theorem deals with additions. So you just go through it. Here B plus C is called as a redundant term. So we will eliminate that. Next, duality principle. In Boolean algebra, the duality principle can be obtained by interchanging AND with OR and OR with and replacing 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. Compare the identities on the left side with the identities on the right side. So AND is replaced by OR is replaced by AND, 1 with 0, 0 with 1, and A is with A complement, A bar is with A. Dual of x plus 1 is equal to 1. So dual for this is equal to x. Oh, it is supposed to be x bar, sorry. X bar dot 0 is equal to 0. Next, dual of x dot x bar is equal to 0. Dual for this is equal to x complement, and this is replaced by r, and true form x is replaced by x. So x bar is replaced by x, which is equal to 1. Next, dual of x plus y, so xy plus z bar is equal to, here I have an AND operation, so it is x bar and will be replaced by r. So x bar plus y bar dot z. You check the last one. Next, minimization of Boolean equations. This is very important. See, if you see this, you are having three product terms, BC, BC bar, and BA. So if you draw the logic circuit for it, it will be very complicated. If you minimize it, then it will be very easy for you. So if I take B common out of all these things, so it is B of C plus C bar plus A. B of, here is another example, okay. B of C plus C bar plus A. C plus C bar is equal to 1, okay. Next step, you can eliminate C plus C bar with 1. So 1 plus A into B. 1 plus A is equal to 1 again. So the final answer is B. So if you simplify this equation, it will result B. And similar way, you can simplify. Please go through the steps and try to minimize the equation. Next. Here, we can apply De Morgan's law. I hope you understand. Whole complement of AND is replaced by individual complements of OR. So apply De Morgan's law here and then simplify this equation. Drawing logic circuits for it. Pause everywhere and try to draw the logic circuits for the equations that is given. I hope you understand the Boolean laws and drawing the logic circuit by using functions like this.